Hey everybody, welcome back to AmourFabriQues. I have a daily deal before I head out of town, guys. I want to make sure that you guys got to grab one of these packs. It is only today only, and it's going to be one of those variety packs. So pretty much you're going to get a 25 variety pieces. They're usually pretty large. I'm just going to quickly show you those pieces here in a minute, but I just want to show you what you get in the pack, and you get choices. Free shipping, US only. These packs are going to be $35 free shipping. Again, you get a huge variety of these. You get to choose your choice of bag. I know that last time people didn't realize how large these bags are. They're rather large, and they got the cute little tassels and a whole bunch of these beads that dangle from it. They're pretty large. So you got like the white cream ivory, the green. This pink is one of my favorites. I love this green as well. And then the burgundy-ish as well. You'll be getting an embroidery floss. You will be getting, like last time, guys, in the $45 packs, you will be getting the embroidery scissors. And then I randomly would choose one of these beaded necklaces. They're glass beaded bracelets that you also dangle as tassels on your journals if you're going to use it. But they are glass. They are pretty rather heavy. If you are particular on a certain color that you see here, just message me when you do purchase a pack. Again, they're only $35 free shipping. As you can see here, I got a mess going on. You're going to get a large variety. I have a lot of purple left from the purple packs. That will be in the pack, along with a lot of beautiful, heavily beaded pieces. I got piles of these pieces. And I'm just going to randomly throw them in. I got a whole lot of red and greens. And I do have purples here, greens, as you can see here. And then you will get a variety of the circle packs as well. So it'll be like a 25-piece random piece here. You will be getting the bag choice in the listing. Down below is the listing. Go ahead and grab one of your packs. You can choose, like I said, your bag, free shipping. You got your embroidery scissors. Again, just message me about the beads. I'm going to be cutting today. Oh, I forgot. Yes, you guys will get a large junk journal size Kantha piece in each bag. I had a whole bunch left. As you can see, it's the double-sided stitched Kantha. I have them in so many colors, so I'm randomly just picking them. If you're picky, just go ahead and message me. You will get silk also, and you will get Dupatta as well. I'm sure I'm saying that name wrong. But there you have it. Look, I got this huge bin. I'm just digging through, finding all kinds of beautiful beaded pieces. And look, this is the leftover of the pieces I have, and I figured I'll just go ahead and make an amazing, beautiful packs for you guys. Again, choice of bag, $35, guys. The last packs were $45. They were the purple ones, as you can see here. You will get some of that in there as well. Again, guys, run on over there and grab your pack while you can. Again, doors close here in my shop. Today at, I think 6 p.m. I'm going to close up because I want to be able to ship out your stuff tomorrow. So it will be out fast, guys. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.